Do you have something similar to this situation? Plugs everywhere, extension cords, power strips. I got something in today that I think is going to help remedy that problem. Hey y'all, I got sent out a heavy-duty metal power strip. It has 10 outlets, 2 USB-A ports, and 1 USB-C port. Has a 6-foot cord. Has 1200 joule surge protection. 15 amps, 125 volts, 1875 watts. I got a mess under the desk, so this is definitely going to be handy. I'm going to get it opened up and we'll check it out. Not probably a whole lot to look at. I mean, it's a power strip, right? But with 10 plugs on it, it's going to help eliminate a mess. What? And they're tight. Oh, wow. That looks pretty fancy, y'all. Oh, look at that. This one's yellow. I didn't realize it was yellow. It'll be easy to see up under the desk. What I like about these is the plugs are turned. You have your ground on the bottom with your 2 prongs up here, and they're opposite. So you don't have to worry about plugging, if you had something that plugged in this way, you don't have to worry about those kind of plugs that would cover up another plug, because these are going to be plugged in and the cord's going to run out. There's a nice little cord keeper right here. You can wrap your cord around that. If you want to take that off and hang it on the wall, on the back side here, you have little slots, keyholes, I guess is what you'd call them, where you can put screws on the wall and slide it down and put it on the wall. Okay, I'm going to crawl under the desk and get all that stuff, try to get it somewhat organized and get it plugged into 1 power strip instead of multiple power strips. So, I'll show you what it looks like when I get done. Okay, as you can see, it's much more organized underneath this desk. I have 1 cord running over there, and it is going to our new power strip. Have the USB cords that need plugged into the USB ports right there. Eliminated the need for those, which is a good thing. It's definitely more organized with this new power strip. Those USB ports on there are good. The fact that the plugs are pointed in opposite directions and run out the sides instead of down it is great. Much cleaner looking and much more organized. Definitely a thumbs up. Hey, I am an Amazon associate, so any qualifying purchases that you may make through any of my Amazon links, I will receive a small commission from. Thanks for watching.